In this video, I'll be showing you guys a trick that can help you use your Google Drive while you're offline. So you don't always need to be online before you can get access to your files you've uploaded on your Google Drive. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It's very much simple and easy. So when you do this, you can access all your videos, your audios, your pictures, your documents while you're offline on Google Drive. So now let's get to the main part of the tutorial. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So now all we need to do is we just launch our drive like this, and then we move to the document, the picture or the audio we want to do that on, or we want to get access to it offline. So we just tap on the three dots here like this, and you can see make available offline. So we just tap on that. So Drive is going to re-download it, something like that, and make it available offline. So let's do that for a single image. And now let's come here and then let's do this for an audio. So now let's tap on this here, and now let's make this audio to available offline. You get it? And now let's come here and then let's make this document to available offline as well. So let's make this one to available offline. After that, I'm going to turn off my data, and then we are going to check something. So now we are done here. So now what we need to do is just come on here, and now let's turn off our data. Oh, I think we are not even downloading the files. I think one is larger. So I think the download is not done yet. So you can see making them available offline. So it's going to re-download it, something like that, and it's going to appear here. So when you hop on your drive like this and then you move to offline like this, you're going to see all of them here. You can see all of these ones have been made offline. So when the loading is done, I can off my data and then get access to this without having any internet connection anytime. If it's a audio, if it's a video, if it's a picture, anything like that, I'm just going to get access to it without being on the internet. Let me turn it off and see whether it's going to work. It's been a long time. My network is not good though, but let's try and see. So now let's come back here, and then you can see my internet connection is off. Now let me move to offline. Now let me see whether it's going to work. It's going to play. Let's see whether it's going to play. You get it? So you see it's playing. I don't even need internet connection to play the audio anymore. So that's it. So now you can get access to files offline you've uploaded on your Google Drive. Simple and easy. This image also loads. So if you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.